Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. All right, guys, today I'm going to talk to you about a new feature inside of CF Spark. So this tutorial is going to be completely focused on this new addition to CF Spark. So if you're new to generating digital art or digital images and you need help with your prompt building, you're not sure how to get the look that you really want in a CF Spark, what you can do is when you come into Creative Fabrica, you're going to come here to this Spark link. It's going to bring you here and it's going to ask you what would you like to create with CF Spark. Instead of just typing directly into the prompt field, you're going to come here to the right and click on Use Prompt Builder. And it's going to bring you now to where you can create your prompt based off of the additional help that CF Spark is providing you. So you want to put in your initial prompt here. So we're going to start out, I'm going to say little African American girl riding her bike, curly hair, big dimples, and smiling. Okay, so that's what's important to me. You want to start out with what you really want to see. I want to see a little African American girl riding her bike. I want her to have curly hair, big dimples, and I want her to be smiling. Okay, that's, you can see once you start typing that in, it's going to start filling in your prompt. Okay, you're building your prompt here. Okay, now you have some additional help. You can add an art medium, camera, color, dimensionality, display, geometry, intangibles, lighting, material, post-processing, and you can even go advanced. Now I'm not going to use all of these. I'm going to use a couple of them just to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to leave you on your own. All right. So for the art medium, if you're not sure what that is, when you click on any one of these, it's going to actually give you an image. Okay. So I'm going to say that I want this to be a print. So when I click on print, it's going to give me some looks. Okay. So I kind of like this poster look. So I'm going to click on that. When I click on it, it's going to add plus poster to my prompt. So when I go up here, now you can see there's poster. Okay. So I'm going to go to camera and you can click on any of these guys. I'm just going to build it out, just to show you how to use it. You can do scenes. And the really great thing here is it shows you what the scene will look like. I'm going to go with portrait. When I click on portrait, notice because it now has poster plus portrait. Excuse me. And then I want to choose color. You can go with the any of these palettes here. I kind of like that colorful. Dimensionality. I'm going to go with 5D. No, I like 4D instead. I'm going to go with 4D. So if you click one you didn't mean to click, you just click on this little trash can. It removes it and it replaces it with the 4D now. And then display, you can indicate what resolution. You have the look here. I'm going to select super high resolution. And then you can continue on and on and on. I'm going to stop here. And you're going to notice that this prompt started out with little African American girl riding her bike, curly hair, big dimples, and smiling. And then I have all of the additional prompts with the help of CF Spark. This is a great addition to CF Spark, guys, to really get you those crisp, clear images that you're looking for. So that you don't have to try to figure out what word to use and you're not really sure what that word means. Now you have something to not only give you additional words that you can use, but to give you an image of what those words will look like. Or what those images will look like with that wording. Okay, so we're going to now go ahead and copy this prompt. And now we can go to create art and we can paste that prompt right in. Okay, once you paste that in, you're going to go ahead and click ignite as you would with just typing in a prompt. And there you have it. Okay. Now, could I have gotten these results without the help of CF Spark Prompt Builder? Probably not. I probably would have just been typing in some keywords based on what I've seen others use and hoping for the best. This is a great tool because it's going to get you closer to what you're looking for. Look how much crisper and cleaner this is. And it gave me exactly what I want. I don't have any 6 fingers or 7 fingers here. Not saying that you won't, but so far so good. Now I don't know if this is some kind of little tail she has hanging off her bike, but we won't talk about that. All right. So if you want to publish this and hide your prompt, you just click here. If you want to publish it and you don't care if others see your prompt, you click here. And then if you want to generate this to a private download so that the public doesn't have access to this image, period, or your prompt, then you can click on generate private download. So this is new for CF Spark. Okay. So here's another one. Look how good that turned out. Okay. And so on. And I don't even really know if she's sitting on this bike. It looks okay, never mind. And then there is another one. Okay. So let's try it again. So we're going to click on use prompt builder. And this time I'm going to say African American woman. Looking in the mirror. This time I'm going to say long wavy hair. Got to learn how to spell. Okay. Big dimples and smiling. I'll leave that. Now, I can leave my previous help from the prompt builder, or I can add on to it. Okay. So I could come down here and I can continue to add on. Now I can say lighting. We're going to go with ultra bright material. We'll go with translucent. And let's see what we have. I don't want to use any of that. I think we're good. Okay, so we're going to go up. We're going to look here. Now we have our prompt. And I have not clicked this, so let's see what happens. When we click prompt, it's going to put the prompt automatically in the search field for you so that you don't have to copy and paste it. And then we're going to ignite and see what we got. So when you're using CF Spark, you're always going to get 4 digital images. Sometimes every now and again, you'll have a little fluke and it may not generate exactly what, 3 images, but that only happens every blue moon. All right. So I'm not sure if she's really looking in the mirror. I guess this is supposed to be a mirror. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Now, this is just to be a help. If we don't get what we want, we can go in and we can start here by playing around with the words. So we got African American woman standing and looking in the mirror. Blah, blah. I'm going to say, and this is where you can just type in words instead of going back to the prompt builder, or you can go back to the prompt builder. Full-bodied portrait. And I'm going to use one word that I really like, which is center composition. And we'll see what we get here. And we're going to ignite. Now, if you generate a prompt that you don't really like, then you can just go in and remove that prompt and click yes to remove. So you don't have to keep it. Okay, not sure she's looking into a mirror because they're not really showing us the mirror, but you could continue to play around with it, guys. Here you can see she is standing and she is looking into the mirror. It gave me more of a comical, kind of cartoonish kind of look. So I probably would continue to play around with, this prompt to build it out because clearly it's starting to give me what I need. If I wanted to keep this prompt and continue building on to it, you could just go right here and click Use Prompt Builder. Your previous prompt is already there, and you can continue adding on without starting over. Okay, so I wanted to come out and show you this, guys, again. To get here, you're just going to come to Spark and click Create Art. Now you can just start typing right into the search field to try to find what you're looking for. But if you need help with generating prompts, you're not really sure, how to create a prompt, you can click on this Use Prompt Builder, which is an awesome tool to help you out to get started. And you want to start here in this box. Always start with what you truly are looking for. If you want a dog on a bicycle, start out with a dog riding a bicycle, okay? And then start to build on from here. Get very descriptive if you're looking for African American female, or if you're looking for just a female in general. Make sure that you're using very descriptive words, things like, pretty, beautiful, extremely contrast, volumetric lighting, hyper detailed. Sometimes it's hard to remember these types of words, guys. So that's where this prompt building will come in to kind of help you out. But at least you get a look to see what these additional things look like so you can determine what it is you want. Okay. Now, this is just to be a help, not guaranteed you're always going to get exactly what you're looking for, but practice makes perfect. Try practicing around with a few of these based off of what you started with here and then add on to it. These are going to be your thoughts, and then everything else is going to come from down here. Don't just come in and, because you don't have any descriptives in here, okay? You need something to focus on, a person, a theme, something to focus on, and then build on it from here, okay? All right, so that's your CF Spark Prompt Builder, guys. New feature inside of CF Spark to help you out with generating prompts. Once you get a really great prompt, remember, you can use those prompts in any of the AI generators, okay? Midjourney, Playground AI, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, so on and so forth. All right? Have any questions, let me know in the comments. All right, guys, if you are currently following me via my Facebook group, Ken Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, thank you guys so much for the love and support that you show via my Facebook group, Ken Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. If you'd like to join my Facebook group, just send a Facebook group request. It will be linked in the description of this tutorial. Also, thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you like my method of teaching and you're seeing me for the first time, maybe the second time and you wasn't sold, but you're sold now, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.